Hello and welcome everyone to Talent Battle, your one-stop platform for placement preparation. This is Akshay. In today's video, I will be sharing with you information about amazing off-campus opportunity. Recently, some of our students received placement offers from TCS NQT. We are looking to help more students through our platform. Do check our placement preparation packages. Links are added in the description section. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get instant notification of all the campus opportunities and you will not miss a single opportunity. So let's start. Today I will talk about a company called Systech. Systech currently looking for .NET training. In the description of this particular video, I have already given the application link. So once you click on that link, you will come on this particular web page. So let us look at what are the requirements from the Systech. Freshers from 2019 or 2020 pass outs. This will be the first criteria. Second, candidates with 1 year of experience who are interested to join as a fresher. So if you have 1 year of experience and still you wish to join as a fresher, Systech welcomes you. Number of positions open are 6. Though the number of positions are less, we still trying to give more opportunities available for you. So if you are really searching for a job, we suggest to apply for this particular opportunity. Now let us look at educational qualification. UG or PG with IT specialization, statistics and analytics. Again, candidates of 2019 and 2020 batch. Now about the percentage criteria. Systech expects right from 10th to graduation 65% or above. Now let us look at what will be the interview process. It will be online test. For that there will be two level. Level 1 pre-screening in aptitude and .NET for 30 minutes. Level 2 aptitude .NET, RDBMS, SQL and communication for 1 hour 45 minutes. Second round will be technical interview. This will be evaluate the candidate's analytical, logical, .NET and RDBMS SQL skills. Round 3 will be HR or behavioral interview. This will be evaluated candidates' communication and behavioral skills. Now what will be the job profile? Candidates will undergo an 8 to 10 weeks .NET training program, Systech .NET Bootcamp. This program includes classroom participation, lab exercises, project simulations and real-world apprenticeship. And the most important part, this particular opportunity has 3 years bond. So if you comply the above criteria and wish to join this particular opportunity with 3 years bond, Systech welcome you. Now let us look at how you can apply. Once you click on this apply now button, a blank form will open. In that, first you need to mention what will be the position. It will be .NET training. After that, enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number. Select from this particular drop down list location. Currently it will be only Chennai, India. Upload your updated resume. Mention 1 or 2 lines why you are relevant for this particular opportunity and hit the submit button. Once you submit, your application will be submitted and it will be reviewed by Systech HR team. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the efforts we take to provide you off-campus opportunities, then please like the video. In case of any doubt, feel free to comment on the video. Do join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for instant updates. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the campus related updates.